It looks like a sunny day and a fly. Ha, you can't come in. It is 20 degrees outside. No, it's not. It's inside here. It's 20 degrees and outside is 10, 9, 10. But the sun is shining so strongly. It's summertime again. At least for an hour. It is day 3 at this place.
Already?
Yeah. It's the first day with some sun. Which is very nice because we need some electricity. And yeah, our 3 solar panels, our 3 solar panels are very effective, but we need at least 4 hours of little sunlight to charge our battery enough to have electricity for all our
fridge. And our diesel heater. It takes quite a lot as well when you use it. What else?
Laptops. Cameras.
Yes.
Handies.
Phones.
Phones, I'm sorry. Funny here when you look at that hill over there. Yesterday evening with the lights, it looked like a place in Bern in Switzerland could be the Mont Bichat and the Solgenau. But yeah, it isn't. You don't have to go to Greece. You're already in Greece when you live in Bern. Oh, a Greek gatto. Enjoying the sun. And the doggo over there. And another cat. Finally we find the cats. Traffic. And I have to mention, it feels like it's the first time that Adelina is having a camera with her and I don't. How does that feel? Hellas. With you. Hellas, do you have a moment to talk about IT stuff or Jesus? Yeah, back there, the mountains. As most people may know, Greece has some problems with fire, with forest fire to be precise, because of the heat in summertime. That means there are hydrants everywhere, and someone told us that you can even drink the water which they use from the hydrants. So good for us, we can drink water here. Woohoo! I didn't mean that we drink the water from the hydrants, but there are places where you just can anzapfen, die Leitung.
The water faucet.
Yes.
To tap into the water faucet.
Yes. I feel stupid now. Hydrant number 275. This is the water source I mentioned or meant before. See? Nope. And should be drinkable. Very nice. And just a quick note for all the people who are wondering, Adelina and I are challenging ourselves a bit in terms of video or content creation, which means we want to upload one clip, one vlog every day for at least a week now, and we are going to upload it on Instagram and on YouTube, as you may noticed already for those 2 or 3 stories, or 4 right now. Yeah, and we uploaded it on YouTube and Instagram. On YouTube you'll find the clip as a whole, and on Instagram you find it as stories, split it up in those segments that you need to use for Instagram. Yeah, and that's also the reason why the films on YouTube are in vertical mode, because we need to do that for Instagram. So stay tuned for new videos, stay tuned for maybe new formats, stay tuned for everything. Anything else to tell?
Give us a like and subscribe.
And also the reason why we're talking in English is because we want to reach out to you guys in Switzerland, in Russia, and all those people that we met so far. Yeah, and those aren't just Swiss people or Russians, so... Isn't that the Albanian dish?
It is.
And?
Well, it's not a dish, but
yeah,
like this white things. I don't know what it is. It's very good.
Yeah?
I like it.
Wanted to show it to everyone. This one. There's a recipe for everyone who's interested. Adelina wanted to sleep, but now she's measuring the pillow. I guess Adelina will not sleep until 3 o'clock.
You're not in bed yet, so I can't sleep.